Well, here's my dad's 1995 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. We got this car from an older couple, I think, or it was just an older man. It's in really nice shape, aside from I think one dent in the back quarter panel. It's very clean and straight. The interesting thing I first noticed about this one is it's actually a hardtop. Yet it's still a Brougham, it's just a hardtop. It doesn't have the padded top as many of them do. I haven't really seen too many with the hardtop. Level ride in the back is kind of jacked up. It has I think it has around 50-something thousand original miles. Inside's very clean as well. I have the key, so we'll see how many miles it has on it actually. 57,002. Not bad at all. Totally frozen. Now this does not have the North Star. Many people think it does. It's actually rear-wheel drive. It has the LT1 350. Same motor that was in the Corvettes and Police Interceptors. Pretty clean under the hood. Definitely runs a lot better than the Mercury. I don't think there's any rust on the car. Nice big trunk. Power antenna still works. So that's it.